The 2024 Honda Goldwing is well known for its luxurious touring capabilities, which combine cutting-edge technology, performance, and comfort. But a Trike conversion is a common choice for riders looking for even more stability and carrying capacity. Offering an improved triking experience, the CSC, California Sidecar, conversion kit is one of the most reputable products on the market. The Honda Goldwing and the CSC conversion kit are expertly built to work together effortlessly. Its streamlined design and well-matched paint job guarantee that the Goldwing's visual attractiveness is maintained, if not improved. A sturdy independent rear suspension system is part of the package, and it's made to deliver a steady and comfortable ride even on rocky terrain. The kit's construction and finishing exhibit a high level of attention to detail, which is indicative of CSC's dedication to quality and longevity. The 2024 Honda Goldwing CSC conversion kit installation is a major alteration that calls for skill. To guarantee accuracy and safety, many riders choose to have the installation done by certified dealers or skilled technicians, even though CSC offers comprehensive instructions. The drive shaft changes, wiring tweaks, and integration of the independent rear suspension are all essential to the kit's functionality during installation. The independent rear suspension system of the CSC conversion kit is one of its most notable characteristics. Compared to conventional solid axle designs, this arrangement offers better handling and ride comfort since it permits each rear tire to move independently. A smooth and steady ride is ensured by the suspension system, which greatly lessens the effect of bumps and uneven road conditions. Additionally, the Trike modification improves stability, especially while braking and cornering. The Goldwing is less likely to tip because of its wider width and third wheel, giving riders a greater sense of security and confidence. It's crucial to remember that a Trike handles differently from a two-wheeled motorbike. It could take some time for riders to become used to the new characteristics, especially when cornering and maneuvering. The already excellent comfort qualities of the Goldwing are improved with the CSC conversion kit. The comfortable seating for the rider and passenger is a feature of the modification, which keeps the original motorcycle's ergonomic design. Long-distance traveling may be made even more pleasurable by the Trike configuration's enhanced stability, which allows riders to concentrate more on the landscape and less on maintaining the bike's balance. A roomy trunk is also included in the package, offering even more storage space. This is a big benefit for travelers who want additional room for equipment, bags, and personal belongings. The trunk's design enhances the Goldwing's current storage choices while being both safe and conveniently accessible. CSC places a high priority on safety, and the conversion kit has a number of features that improve rider and passenger safety. In addition to enhancing ride comfort, the independent rear suspension helps with traction and handling, especially in bad weather. The sophisticated braking system of the Goldwing is retained in the conversion, guaranteeing dependable stopping power. Furthermore, the Trike's broader stance increases its visibility to other drivers and reduces the likelihood that it will be missed in traffic. This is especially useful in cities where it's possible for motorcyclists to go unnoticed. With the variety of customization choices that CSC provides for its conversion kit, users may make the Trike fit their own requirements and tastes. Options include different wheel styles, upgraded illumination, and more storage options. These modifications can improve the Trike's use and visual appeal, making it perfectly matched to the rider's traveling needs and personal style. A great improvement for riders who want the comfort and stability of a tricycle without sacrificing style or performance is the 2024 Honda Goldwing CSC conversion kit. Its superior craftsmanship, independent rear suspension system, and extra storage choices set it apart from the competition in the Trike conversion market. The benefits of the conversion in terms of handling, safety, and ride comfort outweigh the complexity of the process, which may necessitate expert installation. The CSC conversion kit is a tempting option for touring aficionados who want to improve their Goldwing experience. It combines the legendary performance of the Honda Goldwing with the extra stability of a Trike.